The revolutions of early 20th century Russia occurred because of the government's exceptional frailty. Its political, military, and economic systems had been virtually decimated by the state's defeats in World War I. The nation's power vacuum then led to revolts that replaced Russia's imperial state and created the world's first communist regime. Virtually all revolutions experience severe state crises, shared motivations, mass frustrations, and a dissident elite to some degree. While revolutions may involve different players, governments, and cultures, the characteristics they share help them transcend their differences and demonstrate the dynamism of human nature and politics.
Transcend, transcend, transcend.